Hello friends, look it! All right, these are my bean seeds. If you remember, I planted 2 just in case. And I am glad I did because look at this one. Nothing yet. I'm gonna put it back up on the window because it may just need more sun. But look at this one, woohoo! Look at it, it's got the stem and the roots. Those are the roots. Those I will have to plant in the dirt pretty soon. And here's the stem. Move my chair. There's the stem. And I have to be very careful. Oh gosh. This, look at, that's the seed. Whoa, there it is, sorry. That's the part of the seed. And it's got a leaf. See if I can get that a little clearer for you. There we go. See, there's the leaf. Gotta be gentle. So what will happen is that will keep growing. Look it. So it's growing out. If you see right here on the right-hand side, it's coming out of the seed. So it grew out and then it grew the stems and the roots. Sorry, you're getting kind of dizzy, I bet. But what's really neat is that part. And then there's the leaf and then the roots. So I am going to plant that in some dirt because it will need more room for the roots to grow. And it will get bigger and bigger and bigger, and hopefully more leaves will grow, and then the green beans will grow on the plant. So yay, that's a win. See, as scientists, we have to keep trying. And this one, not so much. But I'm gonna put it back on the window. All right, so next step is to plant this in dirt. All right, we wish you well. We wish you well. Miss Jenny and her green plant wishes you well. Bye, friends. See you soon. Hi, friends. I'm back. All right. Now, this goes back to our planting play plan when I planted my bean seed. So I wanted to show you what it looks like now. I showed you earlier when it started to grow roots, and now this is what it looks like today. Oh, I better plant it. Watch. Oh, my roots, look at this. Da, 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 da. Look at that. So what happened is this was on right here. This is the outer shell of the seed I planted. So I planted that, or actually I just put it in my wet paper towel in the window, and it actually works. So it's not too late. You can still try this at home. You just need to get a bean seed or a green bean seed or a pea pod seed. And then you put it in the wet paper towel, and then I just put it on the window, and it grew into this. Look at, you can see the roots. Look at that. And the stem, you know, the plant parts, and the leaves. And then eventually the green pea pods will grow off of this, or the green beans. But now if you see what's happening, the roots need some place to grow. Because remember, that's where they're gonna get all their nutrients, is from the roots. So I'm gonna plant this bean plant into a pot. But I wanna show you this seed that I thought earlier wasn't gonna work. Oh, gotta be careful. It seems like it's slowly working. See if you can look. Ah! Oh! Man down. Maybe I'll just hold it. So the outside of the bean, it looks like it's splitting. So it might be starting to grow, maybe part of the stem. So I'm going to leave this in the wet paper towel in my bag and hang it on the window again. Because sometimes every seed is different, just like every person is different. So this seed might need a little bit longer to grow. Remember, that's what I love about science. We can just keep doing this experiment. So I'm gonna hang this back on the window. And I hung it up on April 3rd. So that's how long it took my plant to grow. It's been on my window since April 3rd. I'll have to count how many days that is. I'll tell you later. All right, so what do we need for our plants to grow? We need, can you help me? What do we need for this to grow? Because if I left it like this, it would die. So I need dirt to plant it in. Here's my dirt. I have a little spade. This is a gardening tool called a spade. It's a rectangle on the top, and then it comes down to a sharp point on the bottom, and a long handle. This one is actually for kids, but this way you can dig holes so you can put your plants or your seeds in. So I'm gonna dig a hole. See, just dig a hole enough to cover my roots. Not too deep, because they only grow so big. Here, let me show you my hole. There you go. There you go. And now, sorry if you're getting dizzy. Now I'm gonna put my plant in, my roots in, and just cover the roots. Very gentle, because this is not very strong. And then kind of pat it down, because we need to be safe to hold it up. Look at that. I put it in a big pot because it needs a lot of room to grow. There we go. So we have the dirt, so it can grow roots. And then what do we need? Dirt, water. So I have a little glass of water here. I'm a little crooked. And I'm just gonna put a little bit in it. Just a little bit of water at a time, because if it gets too much, it will drown it. So just put a little water. Sorry. Just right on the stem. And then, what does it need? Dirt, water, something that's up in the sky, the sun. The sun is out. And then it needs wind, which is so interesting. It needs wind to make its stem stronger. See, there it is, all planted. So the wind blows on the stem, and then the stem kind of has to resist the wind, like push back on the stem, so it makes it stronger. I didn't know that. I found that kind of interesting. So then every day, I'm gonna leave it outside. I'm gonna have the sun shine on it, and then I'm gonna check on it and see if it needs water. And if it gets too cold, then I'm gonna bring it inside, because it could still freeze if it gets too cold at night. That's why we're not really planting a lot of our flowers outside, or our vegetables, because we have to wait for it to get warmer. All right, so we have our little class bean plant that is growing. Yay! And then I'm gonna put this one back on the window. So hopefully we'll have 2 bean plants. But like I said, friends, it's not too late, because really you don't want to plant outside until the end of May. So you have plenty of time to grow some more bean seeds if you want. All right, I'm so excited that you were able to see that, and that we were able to plant our own bean seed. I'm still waiting for the avocado to grow. It's not growing yet. I'll take a picture and send that to you. All right, my friends? So we are working on our plant, so fingers crossed. I'll keep you posted on our little garden we're growing. And on the play plan, the letter is V for volcano, V, or the number 18. I can't believe we're getting so into the big numbers. So my preschoolers can practice the number 18. All right, my friends? I will see you at group time, and have fun working on your play plan. Bye-bye.